Hey guys, Dean here, your go-to for staying fit no matter where life takes you. We all know the feeling, that excitement of exploring a new place, but also that little worry in the back of our minds about our fitness routines going out the window. But guess what? It doesn't have to be a struggle. Staying healthy on the road is totally doable, and I'm here to show you how. In this video, I'm sharing 7 of my personal, easy-to-follow tips that will keep you feeling energized and fit, whether you're on a business trip or off on an adventure. We're talking quick hotel room workouts, healthy snack hacks, ways to sneak in more movement, and more. All without sacrificing the fun of traveling. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about those moments when you're in your hotel room, maybe short on time, and you're thinking, how can I possibly squeeze in a workout? Trust me, I get it. But here's the thing, you don't need a fancy gym or hours to spare. Your own body weight is an amazing tool. We're talking classic exercises that require zero equipment. Start with some push-ups. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Next up, squats. These are fantastic for your legs and glutes. And don't forget about planks. Amazing for your core strength and stability. The key here is to focus on proper form and listen to your body. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of these bodyweight exercises can make a huge difference. Now, this one might seem like a no-brainer, but trust me, staying hydrated is absolutely crucial, especially when you're traveling. Flying, different climates, even just being out and about exploring, all of these can dehydrate you faster than you realize. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you at all times and refill it throughout the day. And here's a little trick I use. Whenever you order a meal, ask for a glass of water too. It's an easy way to sneak in more H2O. And let's be real, those sugary sodas and juices might be tempting, but they're loaded with empty calories. Stick to water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits for a refreshing and healthy choice. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite travel challenge, resisting those tempting airport snacks. We've all been there, right? But here's the thing, being prepared is key. Before you even head to the airport, pack yourself a little snack bag filled with healthy goodies. Think nuts like almonds or walnuts. They're packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Fruits like apples, bananas, or grapes are also great options. Natural sugars for energy and easy to pack. And if you're craving something a little more substantial, protein bars are your best friend. Look for bars with minimal added sugar and a good amount of protein to keep you full until your next meal. One of my favorite things about traveling is exploring new places, and what better way to do that than by walking? Ditch the taxis and public transport whenever possible and embrace the power of walking. Not only is it a fantastic way to burn some extra calories, but it also allows you to soak in the sights, sounds, and vibes of a new city like a local, choose walking tours, explore parks, or simply wander through different neighborhoods. And hey, if you're in a hotel, skip the elevator and take the stairs instead. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your overall activity level. Let's be real, we're all glued to our phones these days, so why not use technology to our advantage? Fitness apps are like having a personal trainer right in your pocket. There are so many amazing apps out there that offer guided workouts, track your progress, and even provide personalized plans. Whether you're into high-intensity interval training, yoga, or strength training, there's an app for everyone. I personally love using apps that allow me to download workouts for offline use, especially when I'm traveling and might not always have reliable internet access. It's like having a virtual gym with you wherever you go. Alright, let's talk about the importance of stretching. It's something that often gets overlooked, but trust me, regular stretching can make a world of difference, especially when you're traveling and your body's going through different movements and postures. Whether you're on a long flight after a day of exploring or just waking up in a new time zone, taking a few minutes to stretch can work wonders. Focus on stretches that target your legs, back, shoulders and neck, areas that tend to get stiff from sitting or carrying luggage. Stretching not only improves flexibility but also helps prevent injuries and keeps your muscles feeling loose and relaxed. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the importance of sleep. I know when you're on vacation, sleeping might be the last thing on your mind. But here's the thing, getting enough sleep is crucial for your physical and mental well-being, especially when you're traveling and exposing your body to new environments and time zones. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It might take some adjusting, especially if you're dealing with jet lag, but trust me, your body will thank you. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine or alcohol before bed, and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule even when you're on the go. So, there you have it. My 7 simple yet effective tips for staying fit while traveling. Remember, it's all about finding that balance between enjoying your adventures and taking care of your health. It doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. Just a few small changes and mindful choices can make a world of difference. So go ahead, book that trip, explore those new destinations, and do it all while feeling your absolute best. Safe travels and stay healthy, my friends.